I'm issuing another order. This is a mandatory order. Everyone under this order, everyone should stay home unless they're working, they're visiting family, or recreating.
Hey guys, today we're gonna go hiking with Liam and Penny, and we're gonna have a camp out overnight. Since we're locked down for COVID-19, we're gonna make the best of it. Come with us on our hike today. We're ready to go on our big hike today?
Yes! I'm excited!
Let's go ahead.
Me too!
I heard there's going to be a waterfall on the way. And we're going to have to maybe cut through some thick jungle.
Yeah.
But our camping spot should be pretty good.
I'm going to run there.
All right. Penny's going to run there.
I'm going to set up the tent with Sean.
Liam's going to set up the tent. All right.
Me too.
So, we ran to a really good view right here on top of this ridge. Got a couple lookouts above. Let me show you up close. What a great sight. Totally worth the hike up here. All right, we're at this beautiful waterfall right now. Can't believe it. You guys can believe how big it is?
Yeah! It's
unbelievable.
It's like 100 million years old.
100 million, like 100 million years old, and it is named Hogan Falls. So, pretty cool there. New falls on the map of South Carolina. Hiking through some of this dense jungle now.
Yeah.
Here in the kitchen. Can't believe it. Look how beautiful this plant is, Liam.
Yeah.
You can eat fruit right off of it. Unbelievable. Matter of fact, if you look hard enough, it even has one of the rare South Carolina banana trees right here. I can't believe it. Do you like bananas?
Yes.
All right, good. Let's keep going. Everybody stay still. I think I see a bear. Run. Finally here. It's more beautiful than I could have imagined it. We're gonna set up camp for the night. Talk to you in the morning.